The new wax that I'm using this month, guys, Sexy Smooth Wax. I can't wait because it's purple, my favorite color. Let's get into melting this bad boy right away. Okay, if you're watching my last video, then you watched me clean this out. I'm just gonna fill it up. Guys, look how beautiful, guys. Melting point is on point. Look at that. So what I'm doing is massaging the beads into the warm wax. That's how you really test the melting point. Because if your wax is too hot and you gotta throw beads in there, guys, they gotta be able to melt it. You see that? Those beads gotta be able to vanish before your eyes. Let's see what we get. And you always should dig the beads in from the sides. That's where the wax is the warmest. Just like that. Just like that. And I'm gonna fill this up because y'all already know I'm gonna use this wax a lot. Oh baby, it's about to be on like Donkey Kong. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so this is the wax here. We're doing a quick little underarm wax. Y'all look at that. That bitch sexy. I'm about to marry this underarm, bitch. Y'all see that? Y'all know I'm trying to take all this wax off. And I'm not even gonna cut the video off. I want to see the dry time, baby. Let's see the dry time together. So I like to wipe the excess amount of wax on my glove. Tap, tap, tap. Ooh, that bitch feel like it's ready already. Hold the skin tight. Beautiful. Let's do a quick little cleanup. All right, we're gonna do cleanup. Lots of pressure. Make a lip. Fill in any voids. There we go. There we go. See right there? Smooth that out. Smooth that bad boy out. Dry. Y'all see that? Dry time is amazing. Stagger. Stagger, dagger. We love to see it. Let's put on some Pretty Kitty. Don't forget to order your Pretty Kitty, guys. You save 10% with a 2-ounce, 4-ounce oil and any size scrub. Just use code PrettyX2. You know what to do. I'll be seeing you. Bye bye, boo boo.